pennies.
The less you talk, the more you'll smell. So.
I think that'll only
Not you smell. Smell, you smell. Okay. Okay. The dissection. It's a 2 class period long dissection. Okay?
Really?
Because you're going to be working through this packet, and I'll know you're doing it right if it takes the full 2 days. Okay? If you're just doing it wrong and you're hacking up the thing and kind of answering the questions, that tells me that you didn't read all the procedures and answer the questions correctly. Okay? So you have 2 packets on your table. The blue one, if you decide that you're going to be the reader for one of the jobs, then you need to read this whole thing to your group. Okay? And explain it to the group and make sure they understand it. The note taker. I'll wait for you to listen. The note taker, your job is to make sure this gets filled out completely and accurately, and you read all the questions and answer them. Okay, most of the questions are answered by the blue packet. Okay, you use the blue packet for the information. It tells you where to cut, when to cut, how to cut. Then there's some other questions that ask you to think or get your opinion. Okay? I know that's a scary thing. Most times when you ask me a question, I may answer it. I may just say, that's your opinion, put it down. Or I may say, make sure you read the blue packet. Okay? But work through it together. Okay, number 1 on here correlates with number 1 on the packet. Number 2 on here correlates with number 2. Work through it in order. Today you probably should get up to, if you do it right, get up to about number 12. Okay, there's 20 steps. If you're doing it thoroughly and correctly, you should get up to about 12. Okay? So, before we start, let me talk about the rules. Myra, Linda, Felipe.
What?
Okay, listen. Okay. Not too many rules. Rule number 1, don't do anything stupid. Okay? Now what that means is don't take your meat and chase people around the room. Okay? Don't take the intestines and play jump rope with them. Okay? Don't fling things around and be dumb. Okay? Just don't be stupid. Number 2, don't waste the gloves. Okay? They're just to be used as gloves. You don't make balls out of them and bounce them around the room. You don't make designs or whatever you want. Just use them if you need to use them. Rule number 3, Dennis, is clean up after yourselves. Okay, which means there's a few steps on the cleanup. Listen. The cleanup. You'll come get one of these bags. Okay, you put your meat and any of the organs in the bag. Then you tie it up, write your group's name on it, and then over there on the box you see it labeled A2. Okay, then you drop your meat in there so that you can finish up the dissection next time.